Ijele don't use his mouth go put himself another trouble. Ijele don't come outside the contact the general public. He say somebody can't give him money, make him go buy Sowore, but you not buy him, he dey pity him. Don't be smart, you know. Sowore don't vow. Say this way Ijele talk, he must bring who talk him. And if he no bring who talk him, he go back to the place when bring and come outside. I go play the video, make you watch. But as that one they happen, they say one celebrity soldier where they talk, you know, of how the war they go for inside the northern part of the Nigeria. The guy don't come outside, they can't talk. Anytime where soldiers talk, say may politicians bring their children, may their children come follow the fight. Oh, they no one hear them. Now you know, say one soldier last time here, they come out that guy, and this one again now they don't finally arrest him. Very soon he go see say they dismiss him. This is the country where you are. No freedom of speech. However, I go put the video, may you watch. They say a plan to attack a place for Enugu, some communities for inside the Enugu, as this prophet can't talk him. I go play the videos one after the other, may you watch. So stay tuned to the end of this video so you can understand things where they happen as we they talk. Share and drop your own opinion of inside comment section.
Are you saying that Sowore is buying Igbo sympathy?
Of course.
This is a man that came for you when you were in
that does not stop me from saying the truth. That does not. I fought for him too. Let me say it here. I hope the people he surrounds himself with will reject the type of offer I rejected to assassinate him. I will tell you this for free. Yes. I called somebody has made that offer to me. When we are off, I will tell you who.
To go and assassinate
yes.
Sowore.
Yes. I called a man, he's in the DIA. I called him and said, please, are you aware of so thing? He said, no, he's not aware that the guy is not even a serious threat as such. I said, then why is this man doing this? And I even told him, this case you people have with him, make sure it doesn't get to this 2023 election, because that's when you will see the impact of his incarceration. It's not proper. I lobbied without telling him. I think I've mentioned this to Dejade Onju before. My woman is aware of this thing I'm telling you. I don't like beating my drums in public. But the person I'm telling you about, if he watches this thing, he knows. That's why I'm using English for them to know exactly
to understand it.
What I mean. These are things I did for. I was going to court when he was going to court. Even when I was a staunch Buhari supporter. Go to my old YouTube account. I've lost access to it. You will still see every program I'm doing. You will see free Omoyele Sowore there. So it's not as if, you know, bro, I will tell anybody the truth. I don't care how close we are. And what brought my rift with him was this Nnamdi Kanu issue. Okay, you are saying you fought for me against the criminal pastors, but you went and joined those that the criminal pastors used to do what they did. That problem was not about that they are nonsense evangelists. Of course, he has no spiritual power. But it's these IPOB people that went, I will give you names of people off air. A serving senator in Abia State was contacted in a case of fake miracle. What he told me was, he told the person that reached out to him that I will sign undertaking not to mention anything IPOB or insecurity in the Southeast on national platform again. Yes. He himself, he owns a newspaper. So you may know who I'm talking about. Abe Governor is my witness. Esther is my witness. I don't want to mention the name of the guy, but the guy is from Adamawa State. He's very close to the NSA. Are you understanding?
Yes.
So the same people are the ones you went to and you're telling me that you fought for who? So for that reason, I should support any evil you're doing. You either do good and do it in its entirety.
There's a popular opinion that Sowore is the most upright Nigerian activist.
As
You
for
don't think
Nigeria,
so?
as for
You know,
Nigeria,
mentioning his name and evil.
no, not evil in
the same sense.
no, not evil in the sense people mean it. Like when it comes to these activists in Nigeria, believe me, no one comes close to him.
Thank you.
But I'm also trying to bring to the attention of the people how low the standard is.
Okay.
He's better than each and every one of them because he makes himself easily accessible to people that have problem. But sometimes the end goal is just to antagonize the FG. You see where he's kind of getting a bit secular instead of straight. Are you on
A
this?
sole goal is like this is the only end goal he normally targets.
Yes.
The FG, linking everything
to the government, which is not supposed to be so. So he makes himself easily accessible for anyone that needs help. That I give to him. When it comes to fighting for the downtrodden, he knows it. He knows how to do that, but there is this mindless hatred. If you notice, they hardly post any good news. Okay, yesterday or day before yesterday, he made a post and he mentioned my name and said, when I offended their evangelist. How did I offend your evangelist?
Go by my name, Babiaski Bag, the celebrity soldier. In case you don't know me before, you go know me today. Because my mommy won't say, the devil way you know it better pass the angel way you don't know. Ladies and gentlemen of the Nigerian Armed Forces, please make una stand up, arise. Something fishy is going down deeply. We will not know. May them let us know. If not to drop the color for them, we'll drop and we'll go back, go carry cutlass, protect our family. They still need us for our house. They love us. Nobody say person no need us, go just carry us. They count money for in pocket only. Why in children they abroad they go school. Our family I carry una children come put to. When I carry una children come put for this work, make them do me. I don't tire. For waiting now, they keep us. Now know the feet talk. Now stone will be. I been a firewood. I been now because they never touch una children. No while I go reach now, I go touch una now. I go touch now. You go reach stage where everybody go stand up fight for himself. I come as I tell una this one boldly. Make everybody ready to fight Kala for himself. Everybody ready to fight Kala for yourself and fight. I cannot save the country anymore. I know if we save the nation again. Yeah, I don't even think whether we get president. Is our president alive? Mr. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, please, what is happening now? They are killing the Nigerian soldiers. I even say you see so, you see the killing so, you see what happen for your country. They kill you, they travel. You get patience, you get conscience so. I go touch you, I go reach you. Continue to the do one. Continue. No be the vote is good, baby. No wahala, continue. We are good.
My people, now don't see am as it dey happen, and now they bring am back to back. They can't give una. I beg, may you share this video. Drop your own opinion in the comment section. You know that this life, sometimes when they open our mouth, they talk, they think say we know how to talk. You can't just be creating loophole for people to call you to come and answer questions of what you say with your own mouth.
I am charging.
So I believe that Sowore will not take this threat lightly with Ijele. He must want to know who want to buy him. And by this, Ijele don't open another case somewhere else. So they don't advise you. Hey, the guy say no, you no go here. Now you no pass. Now you get brain pass. Now you dey wise pass. But however, we are watching our own here now to report them how it did happen. Share the video and drop your own opinion.